Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your embed typeform code for WordPress. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and embed a typeform onto your WordPress website. How do you actually go ahead and get that embed code? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, click onto the form which you want to go ahead and get the embed code for. Then click on Share. Then on the left-hand side, click on Embed on a web page. From here, click on New Embed. Then click on Start Embedding. And then you're going to see a drop-down menu here for Embed your typeform with whichever. Click on WordPress, then copy this code. This right here is your embed code that you could actually paste into your WordPress website, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and get your embed typeform code for WordPress. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.